In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an error on iPhone pictures. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. This is crucial because an unstable connection can prevent your photos from loading correctly. You will want to check your connection status in the top corner of your screen. If you see the Wi-Fi icon, you are connected to a network. If you see bars for cellular data, you are good to go. If not, try toggling your Wi-Fi or cellular data off and back on. This simple step can resolve many connectivity issues and ensure your photos are accessible. Next, restart your iPhone. This may seem basic, but restarting can clear out temporary glitches that may be causing problems with the Photos app. To restart, press and hold the side button and either volume button until you see the slider. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. After a moment, press the side button again until you see the Apple logo. This process refreshes your device, which can fix minor software issues. You may notice your apps running more smoothly afterward. Now, check your available storage by going to Settings, then General, and then iPhone Storage. Here you will see how much space is left on your device. If your storage is nearly full, it can affect the performance of your Photos app. You will want to free up some space by deleting unused apps or large files. This is important because having adequate storage allows your device to function optimally and load photos without errors. Next up, update your iPhone by going to Settings, then General, and finally Software Update. Keeping your software updated is essential for security and performance improvements. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Your iPhone will restart during this process, which ensures that the latest features and bug fixes are applied. This step can resolve compatibility issues that might be causing your photo error. If you use iCloud Photos, go to Settings, tap your name, then select iCloud and Photos. Make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on. This setting allows your photos and videos to be synced across all your devices. If they are still downloading from iCloud, you may need to wait until the process is complete. This is vital because a disrupted sync can lead to photo loading errors. If the error affects only one specific photo, try deleting it provided you have a backup. You can then recover it from recently deleted or restore it from your backup. To delete, open the photo and tap the trash icon. Once deleted, navigate to the Albums tab and find Recently Deleted. This step is helpful because it can eliminate corrupted files that are causing the error. It also provides an opportunity to restore a clean version of the photo. If the problem continues, sign out of your Apple account. To do this, go to Settings, tap your name, scroll down, and select Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in and let iCloud Photos sync again. This step can refresh your account settings and help in resolving persistent issues. You may notice that the sync process restores access to your photos more effectively. Note, if the error appears only with photos stored in iCloud, ensure you have a stable internet connection and enough free iPhone and iCloud storage. These conditions are critical for smooth operation. If the Photos app continues to crash or display errors after trying these steps, contact Apple support. The issue may be related to your photo library or iPhone hardware. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most errors related to photos on your iPhone. Remember, a little patience is key as some solutions may take a moment to take effect.